Court is calling 2021 CR 2962, State of Texas versus Sonia Elaine Hickman. And are you Ms. Hickman?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Hickman, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I do.
Okay. Are you the same Sonia Hickman who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2962 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on June 1st, 2021 for a term of 2 years and extended for 2 years? Is that you? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Okay. Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. Defendant Sonia Hickman did in there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2023 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right, state, do you waive other violations?
Sure.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court would find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility? Did you understand that?
True.
No, I want you to listen to me carefully. You've pled true to violation of condition number 5. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that violation of condition number 5, you're saying that you didn't report for February and March of 2023? Did you understand that?
True.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
I understand.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to number 5, I can send you to the state jail facility for up to 1 year? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right. Knowing that I could send you up to the state jail facility for 1 year, do you still wish to plead true to number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. My understanding is there no
Court calls the case State of Texas versus Sonia Elaine Hickman. Now, right from the start, this case sounds like your average probation checkup, but it is far from that. Sonia Hickman is back in court for violating probation after being caught in one of the most unbelievable stories you'll hear in a Texas courtroom. The judge begins by confirming her identity, walking her through the probation she was given back in 2021. That probation came after Sonia was caught in unauthorized use of a vehicle, and not just any vehicle, but one belonging to Enterprise Rent-A-Car. And before you think this was a simple missed return situation, no. Enterprise said they had no contract with Sonia at all, meaning she was flat out driving a car that was never hers to begin with. Fast forward, Sonia's probation was already shaky. And when asked about missing check-ins for February and March, Sonia admits the violation. The judge makes it crystal clear. This single admission means she could be sent to state jail for a year. And Sonia? She accepts it.
understanding is there no agreement. That is correct.
That's correct, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, are you requesting revocation as well or no?
No, my client would like a chance to be continued on probation. And what she says is that she was homeless and on the street for quite a lengthy period of time, which made it impossible for her to comply with probation. But now she's in a more steady and stable situation with an address and feels that she can comply and complete all conditions of probation. So we're asking for an opportunity to be continued.
All right, that's going to be denied. I'm going to grant the motion to revoke. This is not her first motion to revoke for this cause number. Probation, has she done anything on probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge,
Yes. Defense.
I believe she has 73 days credit.
All right. So, state, what are you requesting? It's
Your Honor, I believe the 1 year is the underlying, that's what may be requested.
all right. This is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is going to grant the motion. Court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Was there any restitution owed to Davis, Thieves, and Enterprise Rental Car Company?
No, Your Honor.
All right. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you have an issue, you can always go to different places in Bear County. Bear County has a lot of shelters for people to stay at. They have a lot of free opportunities if you have a drug or alcohol problem where you can get help. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And back on the record, I'm sorry. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, Ms. Hickman.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Why are you driving a vehicle from Enterprise that does not belong to you? And Enterprise it's not a situation where Enterprise is saying, hey, we had a contract with Ms. Hickman and she didn't bring the car back on time. It's Enterprise is saying, we didn't have a contract with you at all. That vehicle disappeared from our lot and you're driving it and giving Harold a ride. So why are you in a vehicle that does not belong to you?
Okay, well.
And this is a part of, for the record, this is a part of my MRT,
Okay,
but go ahead.
okay. Well, the evening that the keys was given to me, where the fight broke out, it was at a friend's house. I don't know if I'm supposed to give those names out or not, but they just asked me to take the vehicle to where they were staying at.
Okay, so
And
here's the thing.
I didn't have no agreement with.
Calm, almost casual. But then her attorney steps in with a last-minute plea. Sonia had been homeless, struggling to survive, unable to keep up with her probation requirements. Now, they argue, she's stable and wants another chance. It's emotional, it's desperate. But does the judge buy it? Not at all. The judge shuts it down. In fact, she points out this isn't Sonia's first probation violation, it's a pattern. And with that, the motion to revoke is granted. Sentence, 1 year in a Texas state jail. But this courtroom isn't done yet. Because before Sonia is led away, the judge revisits the original crime. Why was she in possession of a car that Enterprise says was outright stolen from their lot? And here comes the story. Sonia claims she was at a party, already suspicious at 40 years old and on probation, when a fight broke out. She says a friend tossed her the keys and asked her to move the car. Simple as that. According to her, she had no idea it was a rental. No idea it wasn't legitimately theirs. The judge's face says it all. She doesn't buy it. And she calls Sonia out right there in court. Do you really expect me to believe?
No agreement with.
That
Enterprise.
story
I
is
had
so
no idea.
unbelievable.
I had no idea that it came from Enterprise.
Let me just tell you that. Let me tell you why that story is unbelievable. You're telling me that, and let's just do this scenario.
Okay.
I'm at a party. You're at a party. Hunter's at the party and your attorney's at a party. A fight breaks out and I turn to you and I say, hey, here's my keys. Take my car. A fight is breaking out in here. I'm not going to leave in my car. I'm giving it to you. You telling me that's what happened?
Pretty much, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I wasn't attending the party. I came over to the party. Yes.
That's
Pretty
even
much.
worse.
It
So you're
sounds
telling me a
unbelievable.
complete stranger. You're a
No, it
complete
was a friend of
stranger.
mine. No, they were friends of mine, Your Honor. They were friends of mine where I went to, where the party was at. And he and his wife was getting into an argument. Yes. They were friends of mine. It wasn't people that I didn't know. It was people that I knew. And I was called over. And
That
so
story
they asked me to
just
take the
makes-
vehicle. I just didn't know that the car was a rental car.
Okay, yeah, you would have known it was a rental car because all rental cars, they have it. So you know it's a rental car. If I go to Enterprise right now or any other rental place and I'm driving that car, every police officer will know that's a rental car. I will know it's a rental car.
Okay.
I mean,
rented
it's not
vehicles.
okay.
I didn't ask, you know, hey, was this a rental car? They just asked me
Well,
to
it's
take
on
the
the
vehicle
keys.
home for us. Can I take the, it was
No.
no sticker or nothing like that on the
No,
keys,
it's-
ma'am.
Let me just tell you, on every key and on the
Mhm.
keychain of a rental car,
Mhm.
and I've had plenty of
Yes.
rental cars,
Me too.
they have that little fob, they have the little circle, and attached to that little circle is a note that says this is rental.
Right.
But here's the
I
thing,
understand.
I'm asking you these questions, I'm trying to figure out if you need the MRT. And I
Okay.
think you're gonna need an MRT.
That's just the way it
So-
played out. It's a friend of mine and it was no sticker on there and I should have asked more
You know
information on the
what,
car.
Ms. Hickman, if I'm sure that plenty of people on the screen
Mhm,
have been at a party before
mhm,
where a fight has broken out,
Mhm.
And at every last one of those parties,
Okay.
nobody has ever told their friend, their parent, some stranger, I'm in a fight, fight's breaking out here, take these keys to this car. I don't know how I'm gonna get home because I'm telling you to take the keys. I'm staying here at the fight.
No, ma'am. He had to drive her car. He had to drive her car. Rob had to drive her car. And these were friends of mine. I was there. I was there at the party. I was there.
So why you telling, and what's your friend's name?
Rob.
Just the first name.
Rob and Janae. Pena.
All right. I'm gonna sign you up for
I can verify these things, messages, do everything that I'm telling you that this is how it played out. And they were friends of mine, and he asked if I could drive that vehicle.
Well, let me ask you this. What have we learned from all of this?
Oh, what I've
Because
learned?
I mean,
I've learned.
no, what have you learned?
I've learned that don't just jump in any vehicle, don't just do anything.
Well, no, if
asking
a
the proper
fight breaks
questions.
out and somebody
I'ma
says,
leave.
here, the keys, take my car, you need to say no.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Hickman, if I could, I would ban you from going to parties, but that's not within my purview.
I'm good on the
But
parties.
how old are you?
I'm 40.
Okay, one, you shouldn't
good
even
on
be
parties.
going to a party where a fight is gonna break out. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And in order for you to be successful on this probation, you're gonna have to really be on the lookout and avoid certain things. So going to a party, even a reunion, probably is not in your best interest to do well on this probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm good on the party.
If someone hands you keys during a fight and says, "Take my car," and you just drive off, the courtroom tension spikes. Sonia sticks to her story. The judge tears it apart, pointing out every single rental car is marked, tagged, and easily identifiable. There's no way Sonia didn't know. Still, Sonia doubles down, insisting her friends, Rob and Jana, handed her the keys, and that's just the way it happened. At this point, the judge is done playing games. She presses Sonia one final time. "What have you actually learned from all this?" And Sonia's response, weak, vague. A half-hearted acknowledgement that maybe she shouldn't just jump in any vehicle. The judge has to spell it out for her like a parent talking to a teenager. If a fight breaks out and someone shoves keys in your hand, you say no, period. Then, in a moment of sheer frustration, the judge adds, "If I could, I'd ban you from going to parties altogether, but that's not within my power." Think about that. 40 years old, standing in front of a Texas judge and being told to quit acting like a reckless teenager. That says it all. In the end, Sonia gets 1 year behind bars, credit for her time served, and a $1,000 fine. No probation, no second chances, just time. As the judge reminds her, at her age, one wrong move in life isn't just a mistake anymore. It's a sentence. And that's the brutal reality of probation in Texas. Miss your check-ins, break the rules, or spin unbelievable stories, and the court won't hesitate to slam the door shut. Closing punchline. So here's the question for you. Was Sonia simply unlucky? Caught in the wrong place at the wrong time? Or was this just another excuse in a long line of bad choices? One thing's for sure. The judge didn't buy it, and neither should we.